chewy, soft texture, and very appetizing udon dish. Hi, it's Cook here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a quick udon noodle recipe. A package of 6 sold on Amazon from $26 to $28, about $4.50 per bowl. This recipe is perfect for lunch or for late night snack if you are working late. A bowl of udon noodle comes with noodles and 2 packs of seasoning. First, I'm going to blanch my udon noodles in boiling water until the noodle becomes softened, and then I will drain my noodles. I am using halved white onion and 1 stem of green onion. Cut the white onion into strips and cut the green onions into 1 inch in length. Now add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add in white onion and sear it until the edges turn golden brown. Add in udon noodles and stir it quickly. Add in 1 tablespoon of hot chili soy sauce seasoning. Continue to stir until all the noodles are coated with the soy sauce. Add in green onion and beansprout. That's it for this recipe. I'm just gonna let my noodles sear on one side and then flip over the other side, and I'm just gonna serve as it is. I added half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. My udon is ready. It's got the beansprout, white onion and green onion, and hot chili soy sauce seasoning. I hope you enjoyed this quick recipe. Thank you so much for your time and support. Until then, take care.